Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to remove objects from photo using AI. And if you watch this video up to the end, I'm going to teach you an easy way on how to do so. And all we have to do is to download and install the Touch app from the Google Play Store on our devices. And from there, as you can see, I already downloaded mine. We're going to launch the Touch and Retouch, and from here, we're going to upload our photos here on the applications, and then we're going to tap on Objects, and then we are going to tap on Brush. From here, we can actually tap on the Vevo, and as you see, that's how we removed the Vevo logo from our photo. We can still use the lasso, restore, or in the restore, we can still use the reapply. And once we are okay, we are going to export, and it's going to be downloaded on our Canva. And thank you guys for watching this video. Hope this did help, and I'll see you guys on the next video.